Can you transfer money directly from a Tangerine Bank account to a U.S. bank account? The short answer is no. You cannot execute a standard international wire transfer directly through Tangerine. Tangerine does not support outgoing or incoming wire transfers, and because they do not utilize SWIFT or BIC codes, traditional cross-border bank-to-bank wire transactions are unavailable on the platform. However, this does not mean you are completely out of options if you need to move funds across the border. Since direct wires are off the table, you have to use alternative methods to bridge your Canadian Tangerine account with an American bank account. The first workaround involves third-party international money transfer services like Wise or Remitb. With a service like Wise, you can link your Tangerine account or fund a transfer via electronic funds transfer and have the provider convert your Canadian dollars and deposit them directly into your U.S. bank account. This method generally offers lower exchange rate markups and transparent fees compared to traditional major brick-and-mortar financial institutions. Another alternative is utilizing a multi-currency account or a cross-border account setup if you frequently move money between Canada and the United States. Many major Canadian banks with a U.S. footprint allow seamless transfers, but since you are using Tangerine, utilizing a specialized financial technology transfer platform remains the most efficient digital route. Always check the processing times and exchange rates before initiating any cross-border transfer to ensure you minimize currency conversion costs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.